I want my brothers and sisters just all around this globe to be understanding and reminded that we are our brothers and sisters keepers.
Philinus Floyd, representing one of 44 families who over the past 20 years have suffered the loss or maiming of a loved one at the hands of police, interviewed by a commission of international lawyers, a panel of human rights lawyers from around the globe who say these types of violent police actions amount to crimes against humanity and should be investigated and prosecuted under international law.
These cases represent only the tip of the iceberg of the systemic nature of the pandemic of racist police violence against people of African descent in the United States.
In its 188-page report, the International Commission points to what it calls police murders, as well as severe deprivation of physical liberty, torture, persecution, and other inhumane acts as systematic attacks on the black community that meet the definition of such crimes.
The victims were shot. They were tortured with tasers inflicting 50,000 volts of electricity into the bodies of people suffering from mental illness. Some of the witnesses were suffocated. Some were choked to death.
Another of those taking part in the hearings, Gwen Carr, whose son Eric Garner died at the hands of police on Staten Island. Carr calling in from North Carolina, where she is currently standing with the family of Andrew Brown, shot and killed by police the day after Derek Chauvin was convicted in Minneapolis in the murder of George Floyd.
Cannot have officers going around taking our lives at will. This does not happen in the white communities.
The commissioners find that systemic racist police violence against people of African descent in the United States has resulted in a pattern of gross and reliably attested violations of human rights and fundamental freedoms.
And the report's commissioners are calling for the investigation and prosecution of such crimes by the International Criminal Court in The Hague.
You cannot have a United States which, as Lennox says, seeks to lecture China about the persecution of Uyghur people, or the Myanmar government about the atrocities committed against the Rohingya, and yet sit idly by and have the murder of African American and Hispanic people as a matter of modern day lynching.
Greg Treadway, Pix 11 News.